So I am going to throw a party this week, which means a ton of people are going to come over, and I need to take care of a lot of stuff, especially my pool. My pool is really dirty, and I need to have it cleaned ASAP because how are you going to party without the pool? So I called pool cleaning service to come over and take a look at my pool to see how they can help me. However, after constant back and forth, we ended up nowhere, plus they were expensive. So then I sat on my laptop and Googled pool cleaning, and all kinds of pool cleaning robots appeared in my search results. There were many options, but I ordered Aiper Scuba S1 because it had better reviews, plus I liked the design. I would say one thing though, it is bigger than I expected. So without wasting any time, I put the robot to work, and I was pretty surprised to see the robot not only clean the floor, but also climb the walls to clean them. I am still in dismay how the robot handled the cleaning so well. Anyway, now that it's done, who wants to see the follow-up video on the party?